This is the Decree. Its blade is made from premium US S30V steel and has a modified Tonto point with a slightly rounded bottom designed for easy sharpening on the fly. Thumb studs and a finger flip tab open the knife quickly. The blade's black ceramic coating minimizes reflection and prevents corrosion. Partial serrations give you additional cutting power. The Decree has a glass-filled nylon handle that is overmolded with a rubberized diamond texture for secure, confident grip in all conditions. Its pommel is equipped with a tempered steel tip for breaking glass. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon, this is the Decree.
The Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS is a large folding knife designed for rapid deployment and rugged reliability. To open the black 3.60-inch part-serrated clip-point blade, simply flip the safety switch to the off position, then engage the finger actuator. The magic opening system will then take over and deploy the blade. The rugged handle has perfectly placed finger contours for a secure grip. This is the Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS large folding knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
The Tenacious is the flagship of Spyderco's incredibly popular Value Folder series of knives. It proudly offers all the features and benefits that define a Spyderco Clip-It in an extremely affordable format. The heart of the design is its full flat ground blade, which is crafted from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel and includes a fully accessible trademark round hole for swift, ambidextrous one-handed opening. The blade is paired with an ergonomic handle constructed with full skeletonized stainless steel liners and peel-ply textured G10 scales. The skeletonized liners provide the foundation for its sturdy liner lock mechanism and also anchor its versatile 4-position pocket clip. In its standard configuration, the Tenacious sports a satin-finished blade and polished handle hardware. For tactical applications, it is also available with a black oxide blade coating and matching black-coated hardware. Both the satin and black blades are available in plain edge or combination edge, and the satin blade comes in a fully serrated spider edge.